Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time joining, thank you and please consider subscribing. If not, you might remember this, my 2003 Acura RSX Type S. In a recent video, we did sway bar end links, tie rod ends, brand new brakes, and a brand new valve cover. But in today's video, we're doing something a little different. I'm installing these headlights I got from Walmart.com. They cost me $144, feature halos, LED DRLs, and projectors. So,
quality.
Today we're gonna show you how to give your little nugget a facelift. So benefits of installing a headlight like this over your factory ones are multiple things. One, better visibility. These come with projectors. Those are gonna shoot my beams further and higher up. I'm gonna get to see way better. Second, makes my car look pretty sick. I went with the blacked out housing with the clear lens, which you'll see once you take this plastic off. And I think it's gonna really update the look of my car. So, Robbie?
So, what tools are you gonna need? Well, let me show you. We have a trim removal piece kit set type thing. Which you don't really need that, you can just use a flathead screwdriver. You're going to need 3/8 ratchet or a 1/4 inch ratchet. You're gonna need plenty of 10 mil sockets. And last but not least, you need extensions because some of these bolts are like really far down in the engine bay, so extensions save your life. Let's get into it.
It's a pain to get out.
Okay, well
First step is to remove the bumper. Be careful not to break it in the plastic clips. It's better to take your time and go slow because you have to spend more time running to the store to buy more clips.
Alright guys, to remove the headlights, it's pretty simple. It's just 4 bolts. It's a 10 millimeter bolt. You got one right here. You have 2 underneath here, and then one kind of back there, which is why you need your extensions. Not all cars are created equal. It's going to be different for Mustangs. It's going to be different for Evos, whatever it may be, but the principle's all the same. There's usually 4 to 5 bolts holding the headlights in. You just got to take them out. They're usually a 10 millimeter socket. Take off the front bumper first. Go for it. So yeah, let's get into it.
So now that the headlights are out, you might think you're about to be done and put these in. Not quite. There are a couple of things that need to be done. First off, on the RSX specifically, there's this metal bracket right here. Held on by a 10 right there. It must be swapped over before putting these in. So those right here where it says remove, that means you're gonna need the bulbs that are in here as well. You have to swap those over in order for the headlights to work properly.
Alright guys, so now that the brackets are all switched over, we also have the lights switched over. There are these weird strand type thingies. They kind of look like wires, but I don't do wiring. So here's Quinn.
Cool, so not all headlights are plug and play. This is one that's not. These come with, as I said, halos. So on them you're gonna have a negative, and then your white is gonna be your positive. Now these are gonna be wired, I'm gonna personally wire them to my daytime running lights that were originally on the car. This means whenever the car is on, the halos are going to be on at the same time. Now one last thing needs to be done because these new lights include halos. You have to splice the positive wire into the positive driving light wire and the negative wire into the ground wire. For reference, brown wires are usually the ground wires on most wiring harnesses. Installation is reverse removal. Put the headlights in, put the bumper on, reinstall the clips. Thank you guys for watching. I've noticed about 93% of the people that watch your videos are not subscribed, so you know what to do. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another upload like this. And when you're working on your car in your garage, stay original.